Everybody, welcome to my channel Knowledge Ocean, and today we will study the third part of class 9 civic chapter, that is the constitutional design. Today our topic of discussion is why do we need a constitution. In my previous two videos I have told you about the apartheid system, and I have also told you about how the South Africa made the finest constitution of the world. Now a question arises in our mind, why do we need a constitution? Before answering this, we should know what is a constitution. Constitution is a supreme law that determines the relationship among the people living in a territory called citizen, and also the relationship between people and the government. So the constitution is a basic law which deal with the relationship between citizen and citizens towards the government. It also tells us that how a government should govern the country. So there are the four main reason why do we need a constitution. The first, it generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for the different kind of people to live together. If we want to live together, so there should be a degree of trust and coordination among the people or the citizen of the country. The second reason why do we need a constitution, it specifies how the government will be constituted, who will have the power and who will take the decision. This is the most important part of why do we need a constitution. The constitution clearly specifies that how the government will form and what are the powers of the government, or what are the different powers given to the different organ of the government. Now the third, it lay out the limit to the power of the government and tell us what are the right of the citizen. As I have told you earlier also, that in a democracy the rulers are not free to do what they want. They are limited by the rights which are given by the constitution. The constitution gives various basic and the fundamental rights to its citizen to limit the power of the government. And the last reason why do we need a constitution is it expresses the aspiration of the people about creating a good society. The constitution tells us about the duties of the citizen to make a good and healthy society. So these are the four reasons why do we need a constitution. And the most important point you all have to remember, that all countries that have constitution are not necessarily democratic, but all the countries that are democratic will have a constitution. We have seen in the previous chapter also in Pakistan, in Zimbabwe, in Mexico, where we see that there is a constitution, but the government is not performing democratically. So you have to remember, the constitution does not mean that the country is following the democracy. But if a country is democracy, if the country is following the democratic form of government, there should be a constitution. So in this way, I am ending this video. In my next video I will tell you the making of the Indian Constitution, how the Indian Constitution was made. Till then, you have to like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Till then, thank you, Jai Hind, and keep smiling.